Hello, good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. It's a short video on the summation sign, sigma. Sigma is a machine. It's a machine that helps us shorten, or helps mathematicians shorten the amount they need to write. So instead of writing um, 1 plus 2 plus 3, we write summation I equals 1 to 3 of the number I. Now let's figure out what this actually means. So summation sign, this is your starting point, this is your ending point. So let's take a variation of this. I'm just going to erase that so it doesn't look like a negative 3. The parts. This I will always be inside the summation. So you're summing the value of I for I starting from 1 to 3, where I is a whole number, meaning that you're not doing portions of numbers. You're not doing numbers between whole numbers. So there's no 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. They are just whole numbers. So if we take the summation for I equals 1 to 7 of I, that's going to equal 1 plus 2 plus 3, and you can see how and we're going to stop at 7. So we go from I equals 1. Let me just go to green with this. And we end with the 7. So that's your starting point, your stopping point. And once you figure that out, then it becomes just a matter of, let's say I equals 1 to 4. We're keeping these rather small, the maxima. Well, let's change this up from 1 to 3. And not 4, but let's keep that. Let's make it 8. And we're going to do I squared. So this time you're not summing I, you're summing I squared. And so it becomes 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared plus 6 squared plus 7 squared plus 8 squared. So you include the maxima. And again, we have the 8 as the maxima and the 3 is the minimum. And from then on, it just becomes a matter of, oh gee, how do I, this item here, this expression, algebraic expression, how do I sum that? And what is that telling me to do? So it becomes a matter of figuring that out. So a summation of I equals, let's say, 7 to 10 of I minus 2. And you can pause it here and try it for yourself. And now I'll do it. You get 7 minus 2 plus 8 minus 2 plus 9 minus 2 plus 10 minus 2. And you're learning this summation out of context, but we will use it in later to sum up elements in a set. So good luck with this. You have practice questions, and I hope this helps.